In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add morph transition in Google Slides. Google Slides does not have a one-click morph button like some other presentation tools, but you can recreate a morph style effect by duplicating a slide and then smoothly changing the position or size of objects from one slide to the next. When you play the presentation, it looks like the objects are transforming and moving naturally. Start by opening your presentation and choosing the slide that contains the objects you want to animate. Duplicate that slide so you have two identical slides in a row. This is important because the morph effect depends on having the same elements on both slides. Now move to the second, duplicated slide. Click the objects you want to change, and then move them to their new positions. You can also resize them by dragging the corner handles. Try to keep the same objects on both slides rather than deleting and re-adding them because that helps the transition feel continuous. Also, make sure the objects remain recognizable between slides. Big changes can look abrupt instead of smooth. Next, go to the toolbar and open the transition options. Click Slide Transition and choose the transition you want to use for the slide change. This is what creates the smooth shift between the first slide and the second slide, so pick a transition that feels clean and modern for your content. After that, set up Object Animations. Open Object Animations, then select the specific object you want to animate. This gives you control over how elements appear or move during the slide. Click Add Animation and choose Appear if you want an object to show up on the second slide at the right moment. If you want more movement control, you can use a motion path instead, which lets an object travel along a defined route. Keep your animation timing consistent so the effect stays polished. Finally, click Apply to All if you want the same transition style across the rest of your slides. This is helpful for keeping a consistent visual flow throughout your presentation. Preview your slides to confirm the movement feels smooth and intentional. And that is all there is to it.